Greetings everyone. I'm making this video to inform everyone that my father, Arnie Teves, has been kidnapped earlier today at around 8 p.m. Timor-Leste time. At around 7 p.m., he already had information that a private aircraft was scheduled to fly over to Timor-Leste. And then at 8 p.m., immigration officers arrived at his residence and picked him up. They just picked him up without documents, without warrants, or any form of legal documents. They just came in forcefully. They took him out forcefully. And right now, as we speak, he is still in the immigration building in Timor-Leste, being held illegally by the immigration officers, also surrounded by Timorese police. He is asking me to inform everybody about the situation, and he is calling out, we, the family, including my father, is calling out to UN Human Rights, and I personally am calling to every department all over the world. Please help us. My father already won the case against the extradition, and then they filed a motion for reconsideration for the previous decision made by the Timorese court. And then again, the Timorese court ruled in favor of my father. So supposed to be, he should be in Timor, living peacefully and safely. But we were shocked to see that just last night, he was illegally kidnapped and is now illegally detained, together with his lawyers. They were a little harmed in the process, including the lawyer. And I will be posting, as per his request, I will be posting a video of him and a video of the incident when they illegally kidnapped and picked him up. I think we believe that they are doing the same thing as what they did to Tatay Digong, the former president of the Philippines, where they will just detain the person illegally and fly him out wherever they want, and then just settle everything after. But we do not approve of this, and we do not want my father to be flown out of Timor-Leste, because he has already won in the court that he can stay in Timor-Leste and he cannot be extradited. Please, again, to any departments all over the world, please send help as soon as you can, because we believe he will be flown out first thing in the morning today. The lawyers have already reminded them that it is illegal detention and all the other technicalities, but again, they just insisted and said, just file cases after. So please, I am begging you, whoever can help us in this, please help us. Please send help. He is right now inside the immigration building in Timor-Leste, surrounded by immigration police and lots of Timorese police. Please help us. Thank you. Lastly, before I end this video, I would just like to inform everybody that family members and media, local media in Timor, were not allowed and is not allowed up to this hour inside the building. I am calling also the attention of the government of Timor-Leste. Please, let's do what is right. We already have won the case. This should not have happened. We really need your help to do what is right. Please do us a favor and do what's right and help us in this situation. I beg all of you. Again, thank you very much.